What you doing, Daddy?
Hi, daughter. I'm trying to figure out a way to get more of this hazelnut chocolate into me. I've got a giant spoon. I've got like all this hazelnut chocolate, and it's just yummy goodness, and I need more. Like, imagine a hazelnut chocolate cookie with hazelnut chocolate spread in the middle, and then like another hazelnut chocolate cookie on top. How incredible would that be?
So like a janduja cookie?
What?
A janduja cookie.
Hey, look, if that means more of this inside of me, yes, please.
Here are today's ingredients. You will need 1 extra large egg, 1 cup of chocolate hazelnut spread, and 1 cup of self-rising cake flour.
Self-rising cake flour? What if I don't have any?
Well, if you look in the description of this video, you will see a link for a video on how to make it. Let's get started. To start things off, we are going to add our egg and chocolate hazelnut spread into a bowl and mix well with a hand mixer. Now that we have mixed our egg and our chocolate hazelnut spread, we are going to slowly start adding our 1 cup of flour into the bowl and mix.
Now, after mixing the hazelnut chocolate spread, egg, and flour together, it's going to look a little crumbly, like this. Well, what you do then is after that, you have to use your hands. I know, how yucky. But use your hands, knead the mixture together, and get something like this. Well, what are we going to do now? Now we're going to make the cookies. We're going to take this ball of chocolate dough and divide it into 16 pieces. Once we have the 16 pieces, we're going to roll them into little balls and place them on a parchment-lined cookie sheet and place them in the oven. I'll show you what they look like in a second. So we've divided the dough into 16 pieces. Let me show you how to work it into what you want to get on this sheet. Take a piece, throw it back and forth, really work it in your hands, knead it back and forth, roll it, form it into shape, just like that. Put it on the cookie sheet, and we're ready to place them in the oven. Now that we've placed all the dough on the cookie sheet into 16 wonderful little pieces, we're going to put it in a preheated oven. It's been preheated to 375 degrees. Well, let's put it in here and let's let these bake for approximately 12 minutes. See you in a second. It's been about 12 minutes. Look at that. They're done. We're going to put them on a cooling rack, let them cool off, and then we'll turn them into hazelnut chocolate spread cookie sandwiches. Yum, yum.
Now that our cookies have cooled, we're going to turn them into delicious little sandwiches. First, I'm going to take a cookie and get some of that delicious chocolate hazelnut spread. Spread it on there. Come on, get more in there. Oh, yeah, that looks delicious. Take another cookie, put it on top, and place it on a plate. And just like that, we have our delicious little sandwich cookies.
Well, daughter, we did it. We have ourselves a plate of hazelnut chocolate cookies, or for you fancy people like she says it,
Janduja.
cookies. So, now that we have the fancy way to say it and the regular people way to say it, let's get it into our belly.
Nope.
Let me guess, the taste tester?
Yep.
This is such a... All right, let's go for it. Taste tester! Ciao, buongiorno, son. Hi, how are you, son?
Good.
Good. Are you ready to do your job?
Yes.
Tu vuoi lavorare? Allora, guarda. Okay, look. Here, I'm going to give you one of these, and you're going to tell me whether or not they're tasty, okay? All right. Let's go with that one. Oh, sorry. Some got on my fingers. È buono?
Buonissimo.
Buonissimo, questo è buonissimo. Lo posso mangiare? I can go ahead and eat it now?
Yep.
Allora, mangiamo. All right, everyone. If you would, like, subscribe. Don't forget, have fun with your family. Bake in the kitchen. But most of all, guys, if you're not full of chocolatey goodness, in this house, what do we do?
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Bye, everybody. I thought it was a because I'm having chocolate.